Ironically, in my last video, I posted my Triton being the only car that ran, and well, that didn't age well. So that blew up the other day, which is great. And I never been happier. So now I don't have a car or a tow car. And one day after blowing up my car, I'm having to tow it. So that just shows that yes, maybe I definitely do need another ute. The 13 is off to Zoli Motorsports and to get the fab work done. This has been coming for a while and I'm very excited because this may turn into my new daily, unfortunately. This is the closest car that I have to being back on the road, so Mitch is going to do a fab work for it, and then I just need to buy an ECU and tune it, and then it will be drivable. But what a pain this whole week has been. But anyway, what can you do? Just keep on keeping on. But shout out to Kai, my good mate, for towing my car that doesn't run. We'll go to Mitch's. A shout out to Ethan for letting me use his trailer yet again. He also towed me when my Triton broke on the highway the other day, so yes. Didn't smash the front bumper, always good. Typical Sylvia, leaking so much that this is what we've had to do just so it doesn't leak on another car. Lovely. So the 13 is receiving a new dump pipe, intercooler pipe, and turbo fittings, and a few other things. And then after that, it will be ready for an ECU and a tune, and then I'll paint it after that. But we're getting there now. S13 is back home. It's been back for a while now. Had a bit on my plate, but I've finally got my laptop sorted out again, and yeah, I can update you guys. But the S13's back. Really happy with how Mitch from Zoli and Nick as well, what the work that they've done. So got the new intake there, got the intercooler piping, comes up to the turbo now, it's got the dump, so it goes down, got full exhaust, running a screamer through my 45mm gate that I've got there, turbo smart, fuel pressure regulators on, and I've got the fuel rail on as well, so it's seeing pretty much, if I put fluids in it, it should start, and then I'll swap out the ECU, and which I actually have bought, because it has been a while, but I have opted to go for a Haltech 1500. So I've got the Haltech there, got my wideband as well for it, so this car is not that far off really. I just need to find some spare time to do it and then do some paint work, because it looks a bit different now at the moment. I've got quite a few things sitting on it, waiting for it ready to go. So like I said, I'm going to focus on getting it running first, and then once I do that, I'll pull it straight off, paint it same color as the bay, go for that LP2 midnight purple, and yeah, get this thing on the road. It's going to be really exciting. S15 has been taking up most of my time at the moment, but that is not that far off now, thankfully, so might see a video soon on that too, actually, if this weather stays clear. But other than that, yeah, no, I'm very happy with the S13. It's been a while, but I've finally updating you, so I guess it's been here for a bit, and I do need to get it on the road because it's a cool car. Actually, unpopular opinion, but I don't actually like S13s that much, or I didn't until this. I don't know, this thing looks really cool. I'm happy with it, and I can't wait to have another car to beat down on the street, because the Falcon is an amazing daily, but I cannot keep driving it like an idiot otherwise. I'm going to come into problems, and the S15 has now just gotten too nice, but this thing, perfect. Love this car, can't wait to drive it, and I'm very excited. So it's only a bit of a short video, but I really appreciate you watching. It's more so a catch up on what's to come, and hopefully next time you see this thing, it will be on a dyno, so stay tuned. Thank you.